Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Baker, the Music Maker, coming at you with another Hot Chrome Music Lab tutorial. This one's from none other than Bad Bunny, the most streamed artist of 2025. He's taking over Latin music, taking over the world, playing the Super Bowl, rocking and rolling. This one's called DtMF. He won a recent Grammy for it. Let's hear it. Yeah. Beautiful little tune, very cool, quirky little background melody. There's a lot more to this song. Bad Bunny's kind of hard to put in the Chrome Music Lab because he's a lot more rhythmic than he is melodic per se. But that's not going to stop us. Let's go ahead and make this thing from scratch. See what it's all about, shall we? Go ahead and hit restart. We got a blank canvas. We're going to change the settings first and foremost, per usual. We're going to keep most of this the same. We're going to change middle C to middle E, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, this is E. Yep, and we're going to change 2 octaves to 3 octaves. Boom. Length, we don't have to change any of that. All we need to change is 2 things. Start on middle E instead of middle C, because this is the key of E major for all you music nerds out there. We're going to go range, not 2 octaves, but 3 octaves. Then we have the same 4 bars we had before, but we have 3 octaves. 1, 2, 3, separated by the thick gray lines. Now we're going to change our tempo. I like to usually build these things from the bottom to the top. We're going to do a weird order for this. You'll see why in a little bit. But we're going to change our tempo. It's a little slower than 120. Let's drag that down to 113. That's the tempo of this one. Kind of strange number, but yep, 113 beats per minute. We're going to change our electronic drum sound to congas. Keep it Latin, you know, congas. You know what I'm talking about. Yep, we're going to come back to the conga part later, which is down here in the circles. Low conga, high conga, very cool. We'll add that part in later. We're going to build the bass line, then that cool melody part on top. Then we're going to add the congas optionally, because if you want to leave it out, you totally can. In the intro, there is no drums, but as it picks up, it adds the drum part. So I just put it in there anyway. So let's go ahead and build it from the beginning with this purple here, and then the same purple here. Okay, then we're going to skip 3 after that and put another purple here, then this yellow, and then this kind of orange here, this deep orange here. So yep, rest right all through there. And then we're going to do the same kind of thing with an E chord here. Yellow, and then the next yellow on top at the beginning of bar 3 here. So this is all bar 1. We got the purple, skip 3, and then stack a purple, yellow, and this dark orange here. Then we have that same thing going on with octaves on yellow, which means 1 apart and the same color. And we're going to do that same thing after 4 here with those chords. To outline the main harmony of the song, the bottom, the bass line, rest, and next one. Beautiful. And then all the other stuff happens in the higher octaves. So make sure that spacing is all correct. Like I said, there's nothing in bars 2 of 4, but we do have the same thing going on in bars 1 and 3. Just different colors, but the same exact pattern movement, right? Then we have to figure out this quirky little thing that happens on the top. And that's what we have to repeat over and over. So right after this, we skip that one here because we already have that one there. And then we have to put this yellow, then this cluster of 2, and this cluster of 2. Yep, and we're going to do that same thing right here after these notes. And then we're going to leave this one blank, and we're going to keep that same pattern going. So we're going to make sure we skip one there. Otherwise, it's going to sound way messed up. And then on this last time, so we repeat this for 3 times total. And the last time, it reverses the order of these clusters. So we're going to do this. Let's hear it. And that's where the change happens right there. And now we have to do another lower note, but it does the same cluster thing on top. So the note we're looking for after this is this higher B right here. So instead of this yellow after these 2 notes right here, we're going to put this pink after this one. And then repeat these clusters. That color and that color, and that color and that color. We're going to skip that because that one's already filled out. Here, same thing. Skip one of here, pink. Oops. And then same thing right here. We reverse the order of the clusters. See how they're kind of symmetrical right here? We do that the same here. So we repeat that same cluster, but with the low pink instead of the low yellow. And then we gotta reverse this order. Let's hear it. Super cool, super quirky little catchy melody, and that's before the words even come in. So this is kind of how the intro sounds, or close enough to it as I could with Crow Music Lab. Let's try different sounds. I like marimba personally. Piano works too. That sounds good. I don't know. I don't like it. Too dense. I like the marimba because it sounds nice and thin. Keeps that quirky, kind of playful sound going. I like that. And cool. So now let's go ahead and add the optional drums I talked about. Very cool, very cool. So we're gonna do this conga part. 1, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, boom. I think, yeah. Ah, ah. And we're gonna repeat that all the way throughout. So it starts with a circle, then skip one. And then circle, triangle, circle, skip one, circle, triangle, circle. I see it as like a bird face upside down. Here's the nose, here's the two eyes. But we're gonna skip one in between. Boom, king, boom, boom, king, boom, boom, king, boom, boom, king, boom. Let's see. There it is. We can change that conga sound. There's actually an extra snare hit kind of in between. It's just a little bit lighter in the mix if you listen. For a traditional reggaeton sound that's in like every one of his songs. But if you listen later in the song, there's just a straight conga part behind this. And that actually sounds pretty cool with doom, 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 king, boom, boom, king, boom. Pretty cool. Like I said, the Bad Bunny stuff's kind of tough. All the other ones I've tried before, like, there's not a lot of musical information happening underneath besides just like cool synthesizer sounds. And then most of the catchiness of his music comes from his vocal rhythms that are very easy and fun to sing along to. But yeah, I really enjoyed making this one. Congrats to his Super Bowl performance and his awesome career, crushing it at the Grammys. So can't wait to see more from him. Thank you for all the requests, y'all. Keep it coming. Keep making music. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. You know the drill. We'll see y'all on the next one. Peace and love. Keep making music. Later.